We all want to change our lives, so we include the self-improvement habits in our life, such as cold showers, exposing ourselves to the public, waking up early, eating healthy, going to the gym, etc., etc., etc. But there's a secret sauce that nobody is talking about, and I am going to share it with you today. It's something that if you don't understand it, none of those habits can drastically change your life. The thing that you have to do is to work on your core beliefs. But let's go on this later on. Let's say that I want to fix my shyness. I am a shy person. I am scared to go in public and film myself while other people walking around. The number one choice that I can do, and it comes to my mind immediately, is that I have to do this a lot of times to practice it, to overcome my fear. And as I'm going through the process, I'm going to be more and more fearless about that. But this is doing a great job, but it will not solve the problem. It will not cut the tree from the root. The thing that it will destroy the tree from the root is to work on your core beliefs. Every person out there that you see, your mother, your brother, a stranger, everyone has his core beliefs. That is, I am shy for these particularly moments that happened in my life. For these examples, the A example, the B example, and the C example. For example, I am shy because this and that and this and that happened to my life, and from that time I am shy. The best thing that I can do is to sit down and think, what are those moments? Feel all the situation that was back then, all the emotions that I had, and give a chance to myself to rethink about this situation. I was an obese guy, so a lot of times in my life it happens for people to come and tell me about my weight, that I was overweight. So I sit down and I think every single moment that this thing happened, and I revalue the whole situation. I was right back then that I put the blame on myself and not to the other person. I don't think that how I'm going to say this. It was not right to devalue myself and to believe 100% the other person. Yes, it's right to lose the weight, but it's not right to think that I am not worth it in every situation of the life. So, this is the thing that literally destroyed my confidence for years. I was too shy, I am too shy, and I have a crazy journey in front of me to overcome it, because I had a lot of times in my life that I faced someone to give me um, advices on how what I can do in my life, and from a point and after I start thinking if I'm really worth it. I am overweight. Do I have any value as a guy? And after the time goes, the days passes, I didn't have things in my life that I wanted, and I start having less and less confidence. But As a guy that I lost a lot of weight in the past, I gained a lot of weight. Right now, chubby. I am chubby, but one thing that I have right now that I didn't have in the past is my mindset. My mindset to be confident in whatever shape I am, because I got back um to these events and I fixed how I am looking at them. I look at them with the eyes that I have right now, with the mindset that I have right now, and I love myself. I say to myself that I love you. No matter how you look, no matter how hard you work, I love you, Delijon. You don't have to be less confident if you are fat. You have to not be more confident if you are without. You have to go out there with with the same confidence, no matter the shape. And this is applies to everything that you want in life. If you want to fix a habit, if you want to fix your life, go back. You are smoking and you want to quit smoking, don't try to quit smoking immediately. Don't try to just cut off the cigarettes. Try to find the moment in your life that made you want to smoke. And what is behind all this idea? What is making you to smoke? To want to have a cigarette in your mouth? Does this thing helping you looking cool, like the cool guy? Don't you ever felt in your life like you are not cool and now you want to prove to the other people that you are cool and you want to have a cigarette in order to get this social approve? Maybe it's that. So no matter what you do in life, I want you to have self love. I want you to be okay with yourself, to have a self love, and everything comes after. Fix the base of the house and build a skyscraper. If you don't have strong base, if you don't believe in yourself, if you don't love yourself no matter what, you are not going to wake up in the morning. You are not going to eat healthy. You are not going to be confident no matter what. Self-love is the number one. So, Spartans, this is the second day of me trying to get into a shape, not because I want to prove you something. I don't fucking care about you. I want to do it for myself because I love myself and I want to have health in my life. When I'm eating too much, I can't be productive in my life. I can't chase my dreams and I can't have the future that I want in my life. I'm loving myself. I don't want to have sick stomach. I don't want to have busy mind. I want to have a good life that I wake up, I'm looking myself in the mirror, and no matter how I look, I'm okay. And after that, I can fix my weight. After that, I can wake up early in the morning. After that, I can be productive. After that, I can work on my business. Because, first of all, I have self love. And you owe to yourself to love him. It's too important. Thank you a lot, Spartans. That was the video for today. We are going to talk about it again tomorrow. I'm going for my workout now. Thank you a lot.